Alright guys, today I want to show you how to make a nice Calaloo rice, and I'm using the canned coconut milk method today, okay? Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop some fresh onion. Alright, that should be enough. And also have here a nice little bunch of fresh thyme. Alright guys, so to the pot, we're going to add some butter to this. So about a tablespoon of butter. So we're going to saute that onion and that fresh thyme, guys. Here we just want to build up a little flavor before we start here. Alright guys, so now here I have some Calaloo here, and this Calaloo I have stored it in the freezer in order for it to have a longer shelf life. So we're going to add this to our pot right now. And here we have the fire on medium heat. Alright, so here goes that coconut milk. And I wash the top of the tin before I open it. Always wash your can before that, okay? So we're going to add the coconut milk to this, guys. And then I fill the tin again with more water. 2 times after, so we get enough water inside of this, okay? Alright, so we have like 2 stalks of scallion, and we have here a hot pepper. Do not burst the pepper here. I'll add some pimento seeds to that, guys. A nice teaspoon of salt. You're gonna mix that out, and then you're gonna give it a taste and see if it's okay. Alright, okay, nice. Always taste your pot before, guys, okay? To this I'm gonna add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning to this as well. I'm gonna bring this to a boil, eh? Alright, so meanwhile that boil, guys, I'm gonna wash the rice. Here is 1 pound of rice exactly, yeah? Washing the rice should be the easiest thing. And you're washing the rice until the water becomes clear to get rid of all of that extra starch, yeah? See that? That looks good. Alright, so we're going to add the rice to the pot now, guys. I always like to add my rice when the water is boiling because it don't take away from the cooking process, yeah? Alright, so you see that? Very easy. So the canned coconut milk 1 time, and then you just fold the can twice to a pound of rice, and you should be good. Alright? Alright, so we're gonna bring this to a boil. Alright guys, so let's check it and see. Alright, so as soon as it boil up to that now, you're gonna put the heat on low, and then we're gonna cover it with some foil. You can use plastic if you don't like using the foil. Cover this down and leave it until everything becomes fluffy and nice, yeah? So this shouldn't take too long to steam. 30 to 40 minutes should be okay. So let's check it now. Oh wow, nice. So now we're gonna fluff it. This is what you call fluffing, alright? And you see that, guys? Nice and beautiful. You don't want to burst the pepper, so you want to remove it to the side, yeah? Take a look at that, guys. See that? Nice.